The most votes will join the power of 2. Okay, on second thought, since you guys dealt with him before, you can deal with him now. Good luck.
Which means it's my turn for cake at stake. You can't just trade out your problems if you're not safe. I'm ready for the storm. Equal match and row buddy. You got 3,609, 4,888, and 4,927 votes. Game over.
But like, my rainbow hair, isn't that like worth a billion bonus votes?
Byron, Stevie, welcome to the 8,000 Club with 8,415 and 8,742 votes. Up you go. Top 5. Congratulations.
Rightfully so.
But no top 4 for you. Goodbye, little one.
Voters, what are you thinking?
Next out is Dora with 10,892 votes.
So you tell me.
That is the kind of thing I would come up with.
Yay! 2 of us join! So which one of us won't be joining the game, huh?
Cancel.
But all I want is to win. Hello, you menace. What are you doing?
Go, ball! Watch out!